In this video, I will show you how to speed up Google Chrome. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. So if you are finding that your Google Chrome is running slow, or maybe you just want to do some things to speed up Google Chrome, then there's a couple of things you can do to speed up Google Chrome. Now to get started, open up a Google Chrome browser, and the first thing you're going to want to do is come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the three dots, and on this menu that comes up, you want to come down and click onto settings. Once you're in your settings, come up to the search box at the top. In here, you want to type preload, give that a search, and first of all you want to make sure that preload pages is turned on. Once that's done, what you can do is come down underneath and turn on the option for extended preloading. Once that's done, what you want to do next is come back up to the search box at the top. In here you want to type acceleration, just like this, and you should see an option come up called use graphics acceleration, or it might say use hardware acceleration when available. Make sure you have got this turned on. If you don't, turn it on and you're going to notice this is going to make a difference and speed up Google Chrome as well. After doing this, the next thing I would recommend is making sure that your Chrome is up to date, that there's no updates available. So to do that, from here, if you come down to the bottom left hand corner, click here where it says about Chrome, and it's going to tell you if you have any updates available. If you do, you're going to see an option to update here, and what you're going to want to do after that is relaunch Chrome to apply the updates. After doing this, what I would recommend is checking your extensions installed in Google Chrome, see if there's any on there that you don't really use, as these can potentially slow down Google Chrome as well. So to do that, come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the three dots, and this time on this menu, you want to hover over the extensions option. Once you've done that, you're going to see a few options come up. What you want to do is click onto manage extensions, and that's going to take you to a screen like this. Now from here, if there's any extensions that you don't use, what you can do is turn them off, or what you can also do is completely remove them from your browser. So click remove, and then click onto the remove on the pop-up that comes up to remove any extensions that you don't really use, which in turn is going to help to speed up your Google Chrome browser. After doing this, what I would recommend now is coming up to your address bar at the top, and in here you want to type Chrome followed by colon / and then flags with an S. That's going to take you to a screen like this. In the search box at the top, type the following, which is QUIC, and underneath available, you want to look for experimental quick protocol. Now, normally this is going to be set to default. If it is for yourself, click onto the drop down box and click onto enabled. So after trying these, you should now notice that your Chrome should be a lot faster. That should help to speed up Google Chrome. However, if after doing all this, you're still finding that Chrome is running really slow, another thing you can try is resetting your Chrome settings. So to do that, come up to the top right hand corner of Google Chrome, click onto the three dots, and what you want to do is come and click onto settings. From your settings, come over to the left hand side and click onto reset settings. Then what you're going to see is an option to restore settings to their original defaults. Give that a click, and it's going to bring up a window like this. Click the blue reset settings button, and what it's going to do is reset Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts, disable extensions, and delete cookies and other temporary site data. Now you don't need to worry about your passwords and things like that, as they won't be affected, including your bookmarks in history, but it's going to reset settings and hopefully improve your Google Chrome speed. So that's how to speed up Google Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.